So hello guys to my new video. Today, yes, you heard it right, I joined Parrot SMP. So my first day was kinda awkward. I'll just, roll the clip. So yeah, I got banned and all, but it's been alright, as you know. They unbanned me and all, but yeah, like it was an experience to say the least. But to sum it all up, Parrot SMP is like an SMP where in the overworld key perimeter is on and nether are like it's turned off and all, so it's better for casual players. But yeah, it's really fun server and I'll probably make more content on it. But yeah, like the people are very nice. And all, but if you wanna check out their Discord server, it's on TikTok. So yeah, see you guys, bye.